How you doing? It's Duncan Walsh from BillionDollarSyndrome.com. Just wanted to give you a few quick tips for when you start a training program, things you might not think of ordinarily. So when you start a program like this, it's probably a good idea to just try a few of the exercises first. Have a little tester and just get familiar with the form of each exercise. Now the next thing is, even though these are no equipment required and you can perform them anywhere, you still have to suss out your location. If you want to do them, for example, in a room in your house, there are exercises like jumping jacks, for example. So if you're putting your arms up in the air, don't forget about the light fittings. Little things like this are real life things to think about. You may choose to go outside on your drive or in the garden, but this is where a yoga mat can come in very useful. If you've only got a concrete area that's easily accessible, a yoga mat allows you to do sit-ups, or if you want to do push-ups, hands on the floor, obviously. Actually, sometimes I wear gardening gloves because it just takes the impact off the floor. Now, you may want to go to the gym. So the workouts obviously follow along. You'll likely be watching them on your phone, but you might not want your phone on a top volume in the gym, so you might want to wear Bluetooth earphones. But this is another thing that you might have to suss out. In-ear Bluetooth headphones can sometimes start to slip once you start to sweat. Or if your head's down when you're doing the push-ups or other exercises, you wouldn't want them to fall out. Now the videos have been designed so that you can still perform the workout either just visually looking at the screen or just audibly, because there's audible instructions or there's instructions on the screen. But Bluetooth headphones would come in useful, and I've found the over-the-ear, the ones that hook over the ear, are usually the most stable. So yeah, you'd be surprised. There's a few things that you just have to sort out before you actually start. Also, if you do have a go at these plans, make sure we've got the email address that you sign into YouTube with, because you're going to get access to the private videos on YouTube. So we need that email address. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, because there's some big discounts available at the moment for a limited time. Thanks for watching. Hope to hear from you soon.